How to add Instagram Reels cover from camera roll. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And then navigate to the reel that you want to edit. Say for example this one. Once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right, then click on edit. On this page right here, you will see the thumbnail at the top left. Click on the edit option. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here, where you will see at the bottom there's an option that says add from camera roll. So click on it, go ahead and choose your new cover, then click on done at the top, and as you can see the reel cover has been changed. So let's go ahead and save the changes. Let's see, as you can see right here, the reel cover has been changed to the picture that we've added from the camera roll. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a reel cover from your camera roll. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.